Where are we going today, Steph?
Walt Disney World. It's 4:15 and we're on our way to the airport parking or hotel. Say hi, Jack.
Hi, Jack.
Tasty.
More your speed. Oh yeah, that's the money stop. Hello.
That was a fail. Nice bag. Do you like Toy Story? Passion. Where are we going? That way. Take one, hopefully.
Here we have Stephanie Dean in an unnatural habitat.
Uh-oh. Jack, I think it's an A380. Jack, it's an A380. It's an A380. It's an A380. It's an A380. Look. Oh, and there's a plane taking off. Wow. Are you happy with the seat selection? Oh, that's like room. Continues through the evening, isn't it? Ready? 3, 2, 1. We arrived.
Orlando.
Welcome to the City Beautiful. Here, imagination becomes reality in our theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found in our art scenes, sporting events, and small businesses. In Orlando, there's something for everyone. When the gate link stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, she was there.
Zoom, zoom. We're going to be going there in a few days too.
Officially on vacation! You're on your way to the most magical place on earth. Everybody get ready to clap your hands or make a loud noise because straight ahead it's Walt Disney World! Hey now, just in case you didn't know, the Caribbean Beach is one of the largest resorts in Disney. That's why they have a internal bus. They have a bus, you get on that bus at the bus stop closest to your room. It'll take you around in Caribbean Beach, off to the Skyliner, the food court, or anywhere else in Caribbean Beach. That makes all the rooms close together. The internal bus. And there's the Skyliner right there. The Skyliner. Our next stop, Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
We're all unpacked, gonna do a room tour tomorrow. You've had a nap, and now we're gonna head to the studios. So excited. But quick fit check. All of this is from either Vinted or stuff I owned when I was younger. So this top I had when I was 5 years old on my first Disney trip to Paris, and it's just about fits. It used to be big on me. These are from Vintage and they are completely see-through. So we're wearing shorts underneath. So I would not recommend them, but Vintage, they're like £2. Shoes are from Vintage, socks are from Vintage. They're little Minnie Mouse ones, which are adorable. And the ears are the first pair of ears that I bought at Disneyland Paris 7 years ago. So all ready to go, magic bands on. Got my little black Mickey Mouse bag with ears over there with Minnie on it, which again I got on my first ever trip to Disneyland Paris. Got our refillable mugs. Already had a coffee, you can probably tell. My ADHD meds are doing wonderful things right now. I didn't take them until really late in the day, so it's hopefully powering us through. So let's do this! Yay! We're in Disney. Lizard or leaf? Tis a lizard. The first lizard of the holiday. And this is why we love Caribbean Beach. Look at this. It's so chilled. And big and spread out. And to be fair, where we are is perfect. Yeah, there's little seating areas and stuff in here. Playground, and like, look, hammocks and stuff. Are you alive? There's also a bunny down here, look at it. Hi, little bunny. There's a bunny, a cootie looking thing, and a turtle all in one go. That doesn't sum up Caribbean Beach, I don't know what does. Yeah, look, its head's moved, I think. Oh yeah, no, it's moving. Look. Oh, okay, it's alive, wonderful. Have you got us lost? Or is it you? I mean me, because I was the one who said to go this direction. We're trying to follow that though. I'm trying to get to it. Or at least we know not to do this again. Mistakes were made, but it's fine. First Skyliner trip of the holiday of Minnie.
Throughout his life and career, Walt Disney had a passion for animals and the natural world. Today, we are trapped at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, we were.
Whether you plan to visit a galactic outpost or play with all of Andy's toys, at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Did like 5 minute wait time as long.
I think it's a genius idea. We'll never know that.
Actually here.
I didn't know. Do like a Jake Roll.
Take my picture with him.
There's one there. Do you know? What have you just got?
A loaf cat.
A loaf cat? First ride.
Nothing can stop us now. Make it happen.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you ladies.
Hello, babe.
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Hurry up.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Oh, going in there.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Hey, you making me up? Work here with me. What could possibly go wrong?
That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now let's
Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
What? Oh god. strollers just collapsed with kids in it. First ride done. It's Mickey and Minnie's. We love that so much. Now we are waiting for return time for aliens for, I think, saucers, and then we're going to get some dinner. Full disclosure, I was very lucky to be granted DAS again this trip. I have ADHD and I'm awaiting an autism diagnosis as well. I wouldn't be able to do all of this without that. So I wanted to say it. I don't want to be trying to hide it, because I shouldn't have to hide it. You might just be really confused as to how we're going on stuff or just hanging around and not queuing. So I wanted to share. Are you ready?
See.
It's very glary. We should have brought glasses. Let's go.
Howdy, partners. Sheriff Woody here. Buzz and the aliens are all set up for you to take a spin around the galaxy. Here's hoping the Claw chooses you.
Claw. What are you doing?
I don't know.
You sound like Adam Sandler trying to do the claw. Why are you holding on so tightly? Who knows what's about to come? We've been dreaming about these chochos for a whole year. We've tried making them at home and it's just not the same.
Unreal.
Good. Sunset Boulevard, Headline Boulevard. So we are in Caribbean Beach and this is our room. We booked a king size room because it was the only thing available with a dining plan for Caribbean Beach and we really wanted to stay here. But our first impression when we walked in yesterday was, oh my gosh, it's massive. I've seen it so much online and a lot of people have double beds. So I don't know if it's the same room, just with one bed, so therefore feels even bigger. We were obviously really excited to stay here, but we've heard a lot of people say it feels quite dated. Well, I don't think it feels like that. I think the bathroom is probably the only thing that feels a bit dated. Do you agree?
Yes.
You can walk in, have this absolutely massive space, so much space for activities. Tables, chair, which has a pineapple in it. I don't know if you noticed that. Did you notice that, Jack?
I did not.
No. And we had cute little towel swans, kissing swans on the bed. Absolutely massive drawer. I feel like it makes me feel really short. Promise I'm not that short. With a fridge / cooler inside. Theoretically it's not a fridge, but I'm going to call it a fridge. Lots of storage space. I know a lot of people said that Caribbean Beach doesn't have much storage, but I haven't had an issue, and there's obviously two
Show
of us
the
in
people
here.
what they want to see.
No, my bras are in there.
Oh, yeah.
And pants, yeah. Massive TV. I know Caribbean are in the process of changing TVs over to smart TVs, so I don't know if every single room still has it, but we asked when we checked in to double check yesterday that our room had one, but it did, because we had this at Pop last year and we absolutely love it. Massive bed, extremely comfortable. We made like a little pillow fort between us last night, it was so comfy, unintentional. Another little seat, which is not adjustable. Obviously we've unpacked and everything is kind of everywhere, so excuse me. We've set basically our own little cleaning station up in here. Clothes hanging up. We also bought a clothes basket with us so that we could easily do some washing. They're the ones we have at home, which easily collapse away. The fact that it has 2 sinks, it's really not necessary, but it's enjoyable. I don't dislike the open wardrobe, I know some people do, but I say the only thing that looks a bit messy, to be honest, is the extra pillow / blanket, which, to be honest, just put it under the bed. I'm going to do that. There we go, that's it now. Ta-da. So yeah, that's this, and then the bathroom is definitely quite cramped. I mean, the door at least fully opens. I think I've seen some people say that the door didn't open in theirs. And that's our room. We are in Martinique, which is literally the nearest building. We're number 24 in Martinique, which is literally the nearest building to Riviera. The pool is literally, a little pool literally outside our door. We've got a freestyle machine like 2 seconds away. We are 2-minute walk away from the building if we don't get, main building if we don't get lost. You're allowed to talk, you know. No? Okay. We didn't request this room. I don't know if it's because we had to get the king. There's maybe less kings. I don't know. But I was kind of hoping we would be in this area. I was just going to go with whatever they were going to give us and enjoy it anyway. But I'm very happy with this. And also the bus loop starts in Martinique, we just asked. So even better. I don't think we can complain about this location at all. And we just love this resort so much because it's so chilled. Even if it's big. But now we're going to go to Magic Kingdom. Oh, last thing I want to say, yesterday on flight, obviously we didn't really get to...
I'm just going to sit down.
That's fine. Yesterday, for the flight, we booked extra leg room, / chose our seats next to the emergency exit, and you agree it's like the best thing
Yeah.
we could have done. I think it was about £200 for both of us, both ways. Which
Fair, even the cabin crew lady said the same.
Yeah, the cabin crew lady is like, yeah, it's like one of the best seats, because even the emergency exit bit basically made like a little bed for me, wouldn't it? So fully recommend that. Like, we'd already spent so much money on this holiday, like we want to enjoy ourselves, because last year with BA, like we felt a bit cramped in the middle section. If you wanted to just pay for a seat anywhere to choose it, like this time round, like it wasn't that much more expensive, so fully recommend that. I think it was 50 H and K, I think the numbers are. So yeah, great seats, great food, loved Virgin, we've not flown with Virgin before. And then obviously went to Hollywood Studios last night, finished with Fantasmic, which again felt like a bit of a fever dream. It always feels like you're hallucinating, especially when the monkeys come out when you've had such a long day. Then we were nearly up for 24 hours, obviously we had like a nap here and there, didn't we? But we were going on a boat drop this morning, we didn't. Sleep was a priority. It's now 10 to 11, but I think we fully have like hijacked. Is that the right word?
No.
What's the word? We fully... You helping me out?
No.
No.
This is funny.
We fully... What's the word? Jet lag, like we haven't got it is what I'm trying to say. Hacked it, is that the right word?
Yeah.
I guess hacked it. Yeah. We went at 11, woke up at 7 this morning, and then just had a very leisurely morning. We'd had breakfast, I didn't film it, but it was banging. A bird stole a potato from Jack's plate, so we've now learned not to leave our...
Where was I?
You were getting a knife because you dropped your knife on the floor.
And you didn't protect my food.
I forgot that we would need to do that. I forgot that was a thing. Forgot the Disney birds and stuff are very opportunistic. It was cute, I'll let it off. But yeah, we're vegan Mickey waffles, a Beyond sausage and vegan eggs this morning with potatoes. And we've very much been looking forward to that, haven't we? We're going to go to Magic Kingdom and spend as much as we can there today. Time? That's the word?
Not money.
So, I'll be ready.
Bye.
Bye. We're waiting for the bus.
Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
Start to sleep.
We're gonna come over here, Mom.
How's she not dizzy? Oh, the sounds are crazy. I've never met a Disney princess before.
Maybe just the bag.
Yeah. Nice breeze. Time for lunch. Got the vegan cheese pizza from Pinocchio House. We're in here. We've been looking forward to this like all year, haven't we? And we bought our own scores because the paper ones get soggy. Go back to Main Street. Oh, you did it earlier.
Meat wrap.
Nice to see you.
Hi everyone, come on in.
How are you?
Can you sit all the way down to the front?
So last time we saw each other, you might not remember, but but I asked you to give me a magic trick to get rid of my husband, make him disappear. Can you give me a magic trick to get him back? I've not seen him since. I don't know where he is. Where? I see a camera floating in the air.
There we go.
Where is he? I don't know. Oh my gosh! You're so good. Amazing.
He sees you.
So if I want to get rid of him again, I know where to come back.
Yes.
Do you have a photo? We're watching you. Why don't we go on that side? You're perfect on both sides, but this is the best. Thank you. You're getting in one.
Too fast though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's awful, but I don't love it. Still handsome. We just met Mickey, didn't we? Giving us all the sass. Last year I asked him if he could make Jack disappear. Did it. Did a great job. And then I asked if he could bring him back because we haven't seen him in a year. Got a great interaction. So fully recommend thinking of stuff like that. Now we're going to go try and find a parade, aren't we? We haven't seen one yet in here, I don't think. Oh no, we did. We saw one last year, didn't we? In Frontierland. But this is a different one. I am very much warm. My face is melting off. What have you got on your head? I'd argue that actually looks better than the other one. have any last time, did we?
No.
Had them in Paris. Just did Winnie the Pooh for the first time, which we loved. Now we're gonna go on Ariel. We're gonna do Tron afterwards.
Wandering free, wish I could be part of that world. Under the sea, since life is sinking, we got to get naturally.
Just fry us and eat us. Stuck. Sturgeon and the rain. Where's she going? Yes. Only if you ask for consent first. Let's go on Tron. I want to see it fling around. I had to go on Buzz, who's going to win?
Probably you.
We shall see. We got one of the big ones, but we need to go on again. Rematch. Give me your best impression.
I'm always watching.
I remember Bostonian, didn't it? Is that Boston?
Right.
Where are we going now?
Tiana's.
Wrong answer. Down the bayou is the right answer. Going down the bayou.
I love that you're
Going down the bayou.
One day on the back.
Did you enjoy going down the bayou? Very.
What do you want to do? I am not. I only do it. Steph, what are we doing now?
Well, we just went down the bayou and I'm keeping my trotters still. Nope.
Grippers.
£5. No grippers. In each of the feet.
$5.
We are going to get food at Catering Corner and then we were going to stay until the end. What is it? Nearly 8. And we're going to go on Tron again, but we've kind of lost steam / I really want to just go in the pool, like it's still really warm. So we're going to go back in and have a trip to the pool. Dip in the spa.
Copyright.
Yeah, I'm excited for this one.
Goodbye.
Got a quick dinner. Half a hot dog beach. A tippy beach. Alright. We go home to the pool. Let's go home.
You.
Hello. I didn't finish the video last night because I crashed. I don't know if you can even call it that. Delirium? I don't really know what it was. I nearly fell asleep in the shower. I also didn't want to have a shower in the first place, so I finally had a shower. We didn't go for a swim in the end because I was so tired. I was adamant I wanted to swim and then no, that wasn't happening. What time was it? It was like 10:30? Nah, 10 maybe? But yeah, absolutely knackered. Again, we were going to wake up really early this morning and we didn't. Actually no, we woke up at 7, then I put Bluey on the TV and fell asleep again, so then I woke up at 8. But we're now ready and I'm going to finish this video here. This is hopefully enough for one video. We shall find out. If you're seeing this now, then it actually has been made into a vlog, so we'll find out. If not, it's going to just hide in our archives forever and ever. Off to Animal Kingdom for the day, which we're excited for, and just soak in the atmosphere. So you'll see that in the next video. But yeah, so thanks for watching. I dread to think what footage we did or didn't get, so I hope this worked. I'll see you in the next video, which I'm going to start right now. Hello everyone.